Hey guys, today I am going to be showing you how I made my $20 Amazon wig look realistic. I was really struggling with this for a while and I was like looking all over trying to figure out what I could do, and then I finally found a couple of answers, so I'm going to go ahead and share those with you. Now before I even get started, I am going to try to link the wigs that I have in the description below. I'm going to try because I got these a while ago. I don't know how easy it's going to be for me to find them again, but like I said, I'll try and link it down below if you guys are interested. So this is the wig that I'm going to be showing you today, the one that I altered. So it was just a wig, and what I did was I cut right down the part. I have two wigs here. I have not done it to this one yet, but I do plan on it. So the part was just like this, and it was really hard to make it look real on my head. So what I did was I took some scissors, and this is the one that I did not cut, I'm just showing you as an example. I took some scissors and I cut the part. I just cut the entire part, and then what I did was I took some like extension clips. I'm sure you guys all know what extension clips look like. And I sewed those into the inside of the wig. So on either side I have two wig clips or extension clips, and then on like the ends where it would like flap around here, I also put some down here. Now I don't know how secure this is going to actually be. It feels pretty secure when I do it or when I wear it, but I don't know how long it'll actually hold. I have not put that to the test yet. But yeah, basically all I did was cut down the part, and then it had like this V, and then I just sewed some extension clips in there. So now I'm going to go ahead and put it on and show you guys how I style it. But first I need to do something with my hair because I have not done anything with my hair. This is just how it looks when I get like out of the shower because I had a perm not that long ago. So I'm just going to take my straightener, and what I do is I just run down it a couple of times, and then I just give it a little bit of a curl, the same kind of curl that is on my wig, because I'm not going to be tucking in any of my hair. It's all just going to be laying down flat as it is now, just underneath the wig. And I'm going to go ahead and speed through this part, and I will show you guys how I put it on afterwards. So I don't know if you guys noticed, but when I was doing my hair, I really just focused on like the ends and up here. This is like the only part that matters because none of this like middle section is actually going to be showing. And I'm just going to put the wig on now and fix anything if I have to. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a good amount. I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit. So I'm going to go ahead and take a decent amount of hair from here, and on either side, basically you want to gather the hair around where your actual natural part is, or not natural part, but wherever you're going to be parting your hair, you just want to grab a decent amount of hair from both sides and then just kind of like get it out of the way. I'm just going to take like a bobby pin and pin it out of the way. That looks absolutely crazy. But now if you really wanted it to be secure, I'm sure teasing a little bit around this area would help to have the clips really hang on in there. I know this looks crazy right now, but now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the wig, zoom out a little bit again. So I'm going to take the wig where the part is and just clip it around here, starting with the clips at the top of the head and then securing the final two down here. And then I'm just going to pull this all forward and then find those two clips that I sewed onto the sides. They're in here somewhere. And then I'm just going to clip those down to keep everything like in place. Okay, so now I'm going to let down my hair that I pinned up. So now I'm going to take my hair that I pinned out of the way, and I'm just going to kind of straighten it and try to make it work with the hair that's on the wig. So my hair looks a lot bigger today than it normally does. I'm not sure sure why that is, but this is how I make my wig look real. As you can see, this is my actual real part on my hair, and the wig is hidden underneath those little pieces that I just straightened over top. Now obviously for this to work, your hair is going to have to be at least the same color as the root of the wig. Like with this one, it is like a blonde wig, but the root is black like my actual hair. So I think that I could get away with it with this. I would just have to tuck my actual hair in, where with this one I can just let it all loose. I think that's why it looks so big, is because it's a combination of my hair and the wig. So I'm just gonna go ahead and I can brush through it all just to blend my hair in with the wig hair. So it's actually really easy to do. It literally takes like maybe 10-20 minutes to sew the clips on, and the clips are very inexpensive. So I would say to be able to do this with a $20 Amazon wig and like maybe $5 worth of extension clips, $25 for this, it's really not bad, and I think it really does look like it could be my hair. Like I said, usually it's not as like big looking. I don't know if it's just because I didn't style my hair very well before, but I still think that it looks pretty believable. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking this video out. Please make sure to subscribe to my channel and give this video a thumbs up if you did find it helpful and would like to see more videos from me. And I will be seeing you guys in my next one very soon. Bye guys.